BT travelers, long time no see. Today is actually my birthday and I decided I want to spend my birthday at Montgay Visitor Center on Spring Garden Highway. It was an amazing day, amazing evening. We actually started out our evening with a slight tour. Our amazing tour guide Tina, she would have told us a little bit about the history of Montgay and what actually goes on here at Visitor Center. And then we would have went into a cocktail class. I'm telling you guys, if you love alcohol as much as I do, and you love your rum, this cocktail class is definitely something to check out. Y'all are gonna see a couple clips to what went on in the cocktail class, but it was a lot of fun. It was very instructional. You learned so much about making cocktails. And then finally, to end it all off, you had a light dinner. And I can tell you, worth it. All the Bajan favorites, the macaroni pie, the fish, the chicken, the salads, it was delicious. So stay tuned if you want to see a lot about what is going on at Expensive Monkey.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Tina and I'm going to be your hostess on a very intoxicating but very informative experience. I'm here to share a story. But before we even jump into rum, we have to briefly talk about the island of Barbados because that's where we are.
Now Tina, she knows her stuff. She walked us through the entire history of the world's oldest rum, Monkey. We also watched a brief video and then it was on to the fun part, the tasting. We got to taste a few of their signature blends like XO, Silver, Eclipse, and my personal favorite, Black Barrel. She taught us all about the notes and flavors to expect with every sip. After you learn all about the history of rum, it only makes sense you learn to make the perfect cocktail. We were in great hands with Ryan Adamson. Guys, we have our mixologist for the night. His name is Ryan Adamson. He is amazing. Every cocktail he's given me for the night has been perfect. Ryan, tell me a little bit about what you do here at Montgay.
Well, I am the lead mixologist and bar restaurant supervisor as well, so that kind of falls under my purview. But yeah, crafting and creating cocktails, not just for here at Montgay at the Visitor Center, but also for the Montgay truck at Warden Square. So yeah, definitely a hands full.
Ryan, what would you tell anybody who has not done the cocktail evening at Montgay so far?
Well, definitely it is an experience. One of the few things that you can do right now in these COVID times. Fantastic experience tasting rum. You get to learn a bit about the heritage and history of Montgay. You get to taste or learn how to make cocktails as well as some fantastic food created by Chef Greg. So it is a total package and a fantastic evening.
It was time to see who was paying attention in Ryan's class. Armed with a few tips and tricks, we were tasked with making the perfect mojito and our very own signature cocktail. At this point, the drinks were setting in and we were having too much fun.
In a moment here, our illustrious chef, Gregory Austin. Hi! Internationally renowned.
Ready, I'm going to take you on a little journey this evening.
Ooh!
Tina took you on one.
Yeah!
I'm going to take you on another one.
We're ready!
Right.
Remember I was telling you guys about the delicious dinner that Montgay offers on this tour? I am here with Bo of Natural Kitchen at Montgay. He is going to tell you guys about the menu that they offer and what they really do at Montgay.
Oh, yes. We actually handle all the food from Mount Gay at this time. Tours being one of the areas that we take care of for this wonderful brand. What we offer is a traditional Bajan meal. Now this is a unique Bajan meal that is all local. We have made a commitment to make sure that we purchase all of our products from local people. Good, clean, healthy food. We're trying to go as organic as we can, but we have a focus on health. In addition to the food that we offer with the rum tour, because we actually offer a continuing food tour as part of the rum tour to get you into the sights and scenes and flavors and spices of Barbados. Got my man Chef Gregory, internationally known, a local boy from Spicetown that's cooking up in the kitchen. You'll be seeing us coming out soon in the upcoming week with all of our social media. We're getting everything online right now. But look out for www.naturalkitchenbarbados.com. So keep a lookout for that. You'll see us on Facebook. You'll see us on Instagram. And of course, not Snapchat, but YouTube.
I just want to tell you thank you so much for the food, Chef Boy. It was delicious.
It is our pleasure to serve, and we look forward for y'all to come down to Mount Gay in Bridgetown, Brandon's, and come see Natural Kitchen. Thank you.
Seriously though, evenings at Mount Gay is a 5 out of 5 must recommend. I don't know how much more I can convince you, but you need to check it out. For more details or for bookings, visit their website, mountgayrum.com.